We're visiting Mitja's model and his mobile beehouse and during investigation of the hive. Yeah,
okay, these are the hives that I'm using for trapping pollen. So the situation is a little bit different from those for honey because it's the entrance is too small because of pollen trap, and they don't get so much food, so much income of food as the others, so it's more swarming than usually. And also development, it's not so good. They are not building so much combs, and that's why I need to treat them a little bit different. In all the colonies I use building frame to remove varroa and to get nice pure wax, and also to prevent swarming, because removing covered drone brood, it reduces swarm fever. But this one is starting. We can see this on queen cells. It's a little bit royal gel inside, but we can see it's no problem yet, because there are still eggs in new built comb. So until the queen is laying eggs in drone cells, it's no big problem of swarming. Later I'm gonna remove this part. Usually when we use this frame, the first time we insert it, it's empty. And the next time I come about 7 to 10 days, they're built. One is usually fully built, the others a little. And I remove the two of them. So I just leave one. The next time I come, I cut again the smallest one, so I get two of them. And the third time I come, it's one that is kept, I can remove it, one with larvas, in one
starting.
Usually almost built, and with some eggs maybe inside. So now I remove this one, and they get again a space for building and then queen for laying.
So that's weekly base?
Yeah, this is weekly or on 10 days based inspection. Okay, we can see they are still bringing some pollen inside, even if I trap, but it's not so much food as it should be. I'm feeding them, but it's still not enough. So for this short period of pollen trapping, the stocks are not so good as it should be. I need to check for queen cells.